In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all reminders in Apple Calendar. We are really working in the Reminders app that connects to your Apple Calendar, so your reminder alerts and badges stay tidy. First, open the Reminders app on your iPhone or iPad. When it opens, you should see your reminder lists, such as personal, work, or any custom lists you created. If it opens straight into one list, look for the back button in the top left to return to the main Reminders view. Now open All, or the specific reminder list where you want to clean things up. Tapping All shows reminders from every list together, while choosing a single list keeps you focused on that area only. You will see both your active reminders and any that are already completed, usually with a lighter color. Once that list is open, tap the three dots in the upper right corner. This opens extra options for managing that list, and on this menu, you may also see controls for sorting or viewing. For now, the menu should slide up from the bottom or appear near the top, depending on your device. From that menu, tap Show Completed. As soon as you do this, completed reminders in that list become visible along with the active ones. Beginners often miss this step and think their old reminders are gone when they are just hidden by default. Next, tap Clear. You should see the Clear option near the bottom of the screen now that completed reminders are visible. When you tap Clear, a small panel appears that lets you decide how much you want to remove, so nothing disappears without your choice. On that panel, choose All Completed. This tells reminders to target every finished reminder in that list, not just ones from a recent date range. Right away, you should notice that all the checked off items fade or disappear from the list preview. Finally, for completed reminders, confirm the deletion. You will see a confirmation prompt so you do not accidentally wipe out items with a single tap. Once you confirm, all completed reminders in that list are gone, and only your unfinished reminders remain visible. Now, if you want to delete all reminders in a list, including unfinished ones, there is a different approach. Apple does not include one single button that clears every active reminder in every list at once, so instead you remove whole lists when you want a full reset. With that in mind, go to My Lists and Reminders. You should see tiles or rows for each list with names and small counts of how many reminders they contain. This screen controls the lists themselves, not just the items inside them. Next, swipe left on the list you want to remove. A red delete button appears on the right side of that list. Do this carefully because deleting a list is stronger than clearing completed items. Tap Delete, then Confirm. As soon as you confirm, the list disappears from My Lists and every reminder inside, finished or not, is removed. You just learned how to clear completed reminders and how to delete whole reminder lists when you need a fresh start. So if this helped you clean up your reminders, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Apple tips.